guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the old coins collectors. And we have here guys one piece of quarter dollar United States of America Liberty, and in God we trust, here in the front of this quarter dollar coins. This is the front of these coins guys. So we see at the back. Wow, very nice coins. So we have here, we can see this duck swimming in the year 2018 of this quarter dollar coins, and Voyagers. And we have here the Minnesota. Yeah, Minnesota. So it's a very beautiful coins guys. And some of the international bloggers, they are said that this coins is one of the expensive someday these coins guys. So if you have these coins, please keep it, and we will wait the nice price, good price after a few years guys. So it's a beautiful quarter dollar Liberty and United States of America. In God we trust. It's a very beautiful guys coins. Okay guys, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for updated all my upcoming videos. So thank you guys for your watching in my simple video, and a little information about these coins of 2018 Voyagers quarter dollar United States of America Liberty, and in God we trust. So very nice coins guys. Okay, so please guys, again, thank you so much, and God bless always. Thank you, and bye bye. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Thank you. Very nice coins.